everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to reset passcode on Solflare Wallet. To reset your passcode for Solflare, open the Solflare app on your device. On the passcode entry screen, look for a Forgot Passcode button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Forgot Password link and click on Continue. It'll ask you to log out of your wallet. Log out only if you have safely stored your recovery phrase and private key. If you don't have your recovery phrase or your private key, I will recommend you not to log out of your wallet. But if you remember your private key, toggle on the button right next to I understand and tap on log out. This will then log you out of your wallet. Now, you need to re-enter your seed phrase or your private key and log into your wallet. From this interface, tap on Restore Wallet and then enter your private key and then enter your seed phrases in the text box. Write down your seed phrases in the correct order, divided with space, exactly as it appears on your backup. After typing down your backup phrases in the correct order, click on Confirm at the bottom. Wait for a few seconds and then it'll ask you to enter a new passcode. Change to your desired passcode this time and re-enter your passcode once again. Right after you do that, you will then be able to import your existing wallet but with a new passcode. Make sure to remember your new passcode and keep your seed phrase safe in case you need in the future. That is how you reset your passcode if you've forgotten it for Solflare Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.